Hi, I'm Maria Langer. In this video clip, I'm about an hour into a flight from Wenatchee, Washington to Hillsboro, Oregon to drop off the helicopter for some scheduled maintenance. At this point, I've been dodging clouds and low weather for the past half hour. That's the backstory. Enjoy the rest of my flight.
Does not look too good. I might have to make a precautionary at Hood River. Like it's right on the edge of the clouds. I've never seen clouds like this here. I mean, I don't come through here all that often, but...
Scattered 6,500. Scattered temperature 8 Celsius. Dew point 7. Altimeter 2,997. Attention Hood River traffic. Night flight operations will be underway within a mile radius of the airport, starting Monday 15th through Wednesday 17th, beginning 7 p.m. and ending at 1 a.m. Hood River Airport. Automated weather observation. 1.
You can see Mount Hood now. And it is raining a little on us.
Missing visibility 10.
Able to get some of the bugs off.
400. Scattered 6,500. Scattered temperature 8 Celsius. Dew point 7. Altimeter 2,997. Attention Hood River traffic.
Hood River traffic, helicopter 7534 Delta is about 5 miles to the north, inbound for landing Hood River. Pretty, but not what I want. Well, I gotta take a pee anyway, so probably just as well. Never landed at Hood River, so. It's pretty here. I think I'm gonna have to descend through these clouds. Not through these, but in this gap here. Oh, here's the gorge. Oh, I wonder if I could, well, let's go take a pee. Yeah, it looks like I could do the gorge. First, I gotta find the airport. Hood River, traffic helicopter 34 Delta, 2 to the north, landing Hood River. Oh, there it is, okay. I like Hood River. I wouldn't mind living here, I think. Not in a subdivision. there's a popping. Painful. And Hood River traffic helicopter 34 Delta. Looks like I'm crossing the runway to the terminal. Wow, it's wet here. Must have rained. And Hood River traffic helicopter 34 Delta crossing the runway. Guys are tied down. Let me just put it over here. Nice cubs. At least I think that's what they are. Well, that worked out well because I really do have to pee.